Some consumer rights advocates say there's a major problem and it's emerging all across the country. Health insurers canceling coverage when patients get sick. And today in Los Angeles, a call by some of those patients for better protection standards. Jim Nash reports.
Our bills were right close to $1 million.
And now George Nazaretian says coverage for the birth of his premature twins has been canceled by his HMO. Several people who say their HMOs unfairly dropped their policies after treatments were approved brought their stories to the State Department of Managed Health Care, which is rewriting regulations on complaints against health insurance companies.
Pacificare, the day before the surgery, denied coverage for the surgery. When I got back from the surgery, they canceled my policy and accused me of fraud. They said that I knew I had kidney cancer when I applied, which I did not.
Salvatore D'Anna says since he was canceled by Pacificare, he's being hounded by collection agencies for $65,000 in medical bills, and no other insurance company will cover him now.
And then I had the surgery, and then they denied me insurance afterwards. So when you're down is when they get you, and it's just all horrible.
Attorney Bill Chernoff says he's represented 100 dropped patients who are often accused by HMOs of hiding illnesses on their applications for coverage.
Nobody remembers exactly what's in their medical records. So this is a setup. It's a trap for rescission right from the start.
The benefit for the business is to deny that coverage so they can make more money and fatten up their bottom line.
But a spokesman for big HMOs like Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Pacificare, and WellPoint says the Department of Managed Care has received just 195 cases challenging HMOs in the last 3 years.
Whenever you have 1.7 million folks who are covered, mistakes are bound to be made. And that's why we have a Department of Managed Health Care, and that's why they have an enforcement mechanism.
Meanwhile, Governor Schwarzenegger and the state legislature are working on a plan to cover all Californians. An attorney who represents people who say they've been wrongfully dropped by insurance companies says if everybody was covered, we wouldn't have these problems. In downtown Los Angeles, Jim Nash, KTLA News.